If you're tired of eating fried tomato stew with your white rice and you're looking for a healthy replacement, this carrot stew is perfect for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Didi Ekanem. You're very much welcome. Thank you for joining our growing community. God bless you. In today's video, we are going to make a quick and easy healthy carrot sauce recipe that is perfect for your white rice, perfect for boiled plantain and even fried plantain. And to make that, we are going to blend our onions, fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper and ginger together. We are going to use that to steam our protein. So for the protein, we are using chicken breast because we want to keep it really healthy, and chicken breast is filled with protein and it is a perfect choice for this recipe. After blending that, we are going to add it to the chicken and then season that up with some curry powder, some Knorr seasoning cubes. If you don't have fresh thyme, you can use the dry one, and if you have other herbs you want to add to season the chicken, you can go ahead and use it, but make sure that you're using the right herbs so that you can achieve a good broth for your carrot stew. After adding all the ingredients, we are going to stir to combine to make sure that everything blends in well, and put that on fire and let the chicken steam with the best mixture for about 10 minutes to make sure that the aromatics soaks deeply into the chicken to give the chicken a good taste and release a good broth for our carrot stew. Let me also add that you can marinate down your chicken for about 30 minutes to 1 hour if you want your chicken to be really tasty. Chicken breast does not have oil, so you want to season it properly to achieve a good taste. Once your chicken is ready, the next thing you're going to do is to take the chicken out of the stock one by one and sieve the stock if you want, or you can just pour the stock into a different bowl and set it aside for when you're ready to use it. Now we are going to cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We are not going to fry it. Remember, it is a healthy recipe. We are just going to toss it into the air fryer and brown that up a little bit. Now we are going to blend our pepper mix. For the pepper mix, you can use Tatashi and Shumbo together, or you can use either of them. In this video, we are using only Shumbo. The pepper mix is going to add color to your carrot stew. So we are going to blend that, put it on fire, let that cook till the juice dries up. Now make sure to watch this video to the end, where I am going to list the full ingredients that we are using for this recipe. I should have done that earlier on, but I forgot to video the ingredients, so I will do that at the end of the video. Okay, so we are going to cut our bell peppers and set them aside. It's time to make our carrot stew. In a fresh pot, we are going to add our chicken broth. Please take note, we are skipping the frying technique used for stew or sauce. We are just going to go ahead and add our blended and cooked pepper mix and stir that nicely until the color changes to red, which is going to serve as our tomato base. Once the color changes to red, we are going to add our olive oil and stir that in circular motion to make sure that everything blends in very well. Now you're going to add a little more seasoning if you need to, and then let that cook for a bit, and then add your chicken first because the chicken is already air fried, so it is dry, and you want to recook it to make sure that everything soaks into the chicken very well to make it really tasty. Okay, so when adding the veggies, you want to add the hard veggies first, which is the carrot. You're going to stir that well to combine. After adding the carrot, you're going to add a blended base to it, which is basically onions, pepper and ginger again, just to further elevate the taste of the carrot stew and to give it moisture. After adding the best mixture, we are going to add our fresh pepper. If you have black pepper, you can add it as well. Then we are going to stir that nicely, let that cook for 1 minute before adding the bell peppers. After adding the bell peppers and the onions, we are not going to cook it for long because we don't want the veggies to be overcooked. We are just going to stir and combine nicely, cover the pot and let it cook for 1 minute max, and our carrot stew is ready. If your carrot stew looks dry, add a little liquid to moisten it up. Now, if you've watched this video up to this point, thank you for staying with me. God bless you. I would really love to read your comments. I want to know what you think about this carrot stew and if you're going to try it. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, and turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Bye guys. So for the ingredients, we are using carrots, bell peppers, fresh thyme, onions, ginger, shumbo, olive oil, chicken breast, curry powder, and seasoning cubes.